Hi friends, a very happy day to all. This is Joe. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see how to make easy, beautiful carnations. These carnations are the second more popular cut flowers after roses. Now let's see the things that is required to make these flowers. You need floral string, floral tape and crepe paper. I have taken this crepe paper of length 65 cm into 5.5 cm. Then for the calyx 5 into 5 cm and epicalyx 2 into 5 cm, and for the leaves you have to cut out 1 into 14 cm green color paper. Now take the pink color paper 65 cm into 5.5 cm. Fold it as I am showing you and cut it out like serrations. Carnations are also called pinks because of the spiky petals that look like they were cut with pinking shears. If you have pinking shear scissors, you can use it to cut this out. Now I am cutting little deep down inside so as it looks like a petal. Now take a floral string, apply glue and just wind it as I am showing you. First roll over it. As you are winding, see that you wind it in a zigzag way. See? Then you go around it, then again in the zigzag way, so that the petal looks arranged in a zigzag way inside. What I mean is, don't simply wind it around. When you are winding it, do it in a zigzag pattern. Just watch how I am doing. Once done, tie it with a thread tightly. Now take the green color paper and we are going to make the calyx. Cut it out how I am showing you, and then we have to stick it on that. Once the calyx is done, we are going to make an epicalyx. Now take a tissue paper and cut it, and we are going to wind it over the stalk to make the stalk thicker. And even I am going to wind it a little thicker in the nodal region. Just watch how I am making it. Now cut out the shape of a leaf, and then we have to attach it over the stalk with the floral tape. These carnation means fascination, distinction and love. They are January birth flower. They come in variety of colors like pink, white, red, yellow and purple. Each color has a different meaning. White color symbolizes purity and love. Red color symbolizes love and affection. Pink color carnation symbolizes gratitude and mother's love. Yellow color carnation, they symbolize disappointment or rejection. Purple color carnation symbolizes capriciousness. So these flowers have different meaning. White striped carnation symbolizes regret that a love cannot be shared. We can make beautiful flower arrangement using carnations. We can gift it to our friends. These carnations are given on first anniversaries as a sign of love and commitment. See how beautiful they look. Please do try it and share it with me. They are very easy and simple to make. Let's enjoy making it. Happy flower making. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.